I love you.
You're a cat. How do you even understand what I'm saying? Oh my god.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my god, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She's not fat.
Bro, you're my friend now. Yes.